I recently shared one of the amazing AI tools called Vidnoz AI. This tool has a lot of amazing features that you can take advantage of as a content creator. Some of the features include text-to-speech, video translation. I will leave the link to that video in the description so that you can watch it if you missed it. So Vidnoz has just launched a new app called Vidnoz Video and Photo Face Swap. So this tool helps you merge any face in photos and videos, which simply means you can become anyone you feel like becoming through face swapping. I will leave the link to that app in the video description so that you can try it out all by yourself. So once you download the app, the first thing that you need to do is to sign up. So once you sign up, I will use my phone to demonstrate how this app works. So once we install the app, we're going to open it. And once it's open, there are two amazing features that we can find. The first one is the video face swap, and the second one is the photo face swap. We're going to start with the photo face swap. Once we click on it, at the bottom here, we can see where it is written free upload photo. We're going to press on the same button. Once it is pressed, it is going to bring us to the second page. So once the second page opens up, we're going to find two options here. So the first option requires us to upload an original photo with a face, and the second icon requires us to upload our targeted photo with a face. So we're going to click on the first icon so that we can upload our own original photo. I'm going to select my logo photo, then the targeted face. I'm going to choose Morgan Freeman. So click on done. Okay, so once I've selected my original photo and I've also selected my targeted face photo, the only thing that I'm supposed to do, or the next thing that I'm supposed to do, is to click on where it says swap face now. Okay, so that's how you can transform your photo to somebody else. Let me know what you think about this app in the comment section below. This is very interesting and so amazing. So the only thing that you need to do is click on download to save your photo on your phone or on your PC if you're using Mac. So let me show you the before and the after of these photos. So the next thing is we're going to try something else. Let's try another one. We'll select John Cena. And let's see how things would turn out to be if we selected Mr. Beast. So I've selected John Cena as our original photo. So we want to see how we can change John Cena's face into Mr. Beast. So click on swap face now. Okay, that's just so amazing. Let me know what you think about this app in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. It looks like Mr. Beast. So let me show you the before and the after photos of John Cena. This is just so amazing. So click on download to save this photo and to our PC. So the next thing that I would love to show you is the video face swap. So we're going to click on upload free video. Just like the photos, the video face swap also requires us, number one, to upload our original video with a face, and the second one, we need to upload our targeted face. So click on upload video. We will select our video like that. Then we'll come to target face. Okay, we're going to target Mr. Beast. Okay, so we want this person's face to change to Mr. Beast's face. So click on swap face now. Okay, so this is just so amazing. Let's play the video to see the way it looks. All you have to do to save it in your phone is to click on the download button and your video will be saved in your phone. Vidnoz has got a pro plan. So the yearly plan goes at $40, which comes with 960 credit that you can use for your photo swap or your video swap. And it has got a half yearly plan, which costs $30, which comes with 480 credits that you can use in your photo swap and video swap. It also has the monthly plan, which goes at $13, which comes with 80 credits that you can use for your photo swap and your video swap. So thanks to Vidnoz for sponsoring this video. Let me know what you think about this up in the comment section below. I would really love to hear your feedback, and I would be very happy to hear how your channel is doing. If you have any question that you want to ask, please let me know in the comment section below, and God bless you.